everyone, Joffer here, and welcome back again to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we are going to take a look at the Vivo Y36 5G, a new entry-level smartphone from Vivo that promises to deliver 5G connectivity, a 90Hz display, large 5000 mAh battery, and a 50 megapixel camera for a budget-friendly price. But the question is this phone worth buying? Come on guys, join with me and let's find it out in this review. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Vivo Y36 5G has a sleek and modern design, with a glass front, a plastic back and a plastic frame. The back has a glossy finish that reflects light in different angles, but it is really a fingerprint magnet, so better put a case on it. There's a power button integrated with a fingerprint scanner along with a volume rocker at the right side, a USB-C port, a speaker grill, microphone and 3.5 headphone jack at the bottom, one microphone for noise cancelling and dual SIM tray here on top, but unfortunately this device is not expandable. The phone comes in two colors, Mystic Black and Crystal Green. The phone is also IP54 rated, which means it can resist dust and water splashes. Moving on to the display, this phone has a 6.64-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels and a pixel density of 395 ppi. The display has a punch hole cutout on the top left corner for the selfie camera, and thin bezels on the sides and the bottom as well. The display supports a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look smoother and more responsive. The display also has a peak brightness of 650 nits, which makes it easy to see under bright sunlight. The screen is not bad, it is bright and sharp, with good viewing angles and color accuracy. Under the hood, the Vivo Y36 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, which is a 7nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of 2.2 GHz. The chipset also has a Mali G57 MC2 GPU for graphics performance. This phone is average for gaming that can also handle smooth gaming performance. The phone also has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, but unfortunately, there is no slot for SD card for memory expansion. This phone also runs on FunTouch OS 13, which is Vivo's own skin, which is based on Android 13 out of the box. The software has a clean and simple interface with some customization options and features. The software also supports dark mode, gesture navigation, smart split screen, game mode, and more. Now let's move on to the camera. The Vivo Y36 5G has a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2 megapixel sensor with f2.4 aperture. The main camera can capture detailed and sharp photos in good lighting conditions with accurate colors and contrast. The depth sensor can create bokeh effects for portrait shots with decent edge detection and background blur. The rear camera can also record videos at up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Now the front camera of this phone is a 16 megapixel sensor with f2.45 aperture. The front camera can take selfies with good clarity and skin tones with some beautifications options available. The front camera can also record videos at up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Finally, the battery. This phone has a large 5000 mAh battery that can last for a full day of moderate usage. The phone also supports fast charging of 44 watts, which can charge the phone from 0 to 30% in just 30 minutes only. The phone has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that is quite fast as well. It also supports sensors such as accelerometer, proximity sensor, gyroscope, compass, and ambient light sensor. It supports dual SIM slots for both 4G and 5G networks. The Vivo Y36 5G is priced at 999 dirhams here in Dubai, which makes it one of the most affordable 5G smartphone in the market. The phone also offers a lot of value for its price, with its smooth display, decent performance, long battery life, and fast charging. However, the phone also has some drawbacks such as its average camera quality, lack of ultra-wide lens, mono speaker, and plastic build. So guys, should you buy the Vivo Y36 5G? Well, if you are looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that can handle your daily tasks and gives you access to the fast speed of 5G networks, then this phone might be a good option for you. However, if you're looking for a more premium smartphone with better cameras, speakers, and build quality, then you might want to look elsewhere. Alright guys, so that's it for today's review of the Vivo Y36 5G. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.